Vanderer to CV Electro. The German campervan dealership Caravan Grebner, in collaboration with the conversion shop Vanderer and Italian body kit maker Caselani, has created an electric camper wagon with a distinctive retro appearance. Inspired by the classic Citroen 2CV Fourgonnette delivery van, the new Mini RV is based on the latest e-Berlingo platform with a 50 kWh LFP battery, which is good for 200 miles of range. To stay true to the character of its iconic forebearer, the van gets dressed into a new body kit. It includes corrugated side panels and a similar hood, plus a set of round vintage headlights. This e-Berlingo tries on the Vanderer's One package with a rear-focused layout. There is a convertible dining lounge bed and a slide-out indoor-outdoor kitchen area. The latter includes an inside induction cooktop, outside prep area with a secondary gas stove, sink, available refrigerator, and a fold-out indoor dining table. The pop-up roof increases sleeping capacity to 4. Despite being packed with the camper amenities, the van still offers enough space for 5 passengers. Plus, Vanderer's modules can be easily removed to accommodate additional cargo or a third row of seats. Caravan Grebner plans to produce the Vanderer 2CV Electro in a limited edition run of 200 models. These will be a part of its retro camper series, manufactured under a license from Citroën. Must-See Tech will always be there for you, delivering informative content about the latest innovations in the world of outdoor recreation and high-tech. Support our efforts by pressing the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you want us to cover some specific topics or wish to participate in the discussion of today's episodes, then welcome to the comment section. We'll see you soon.